To connect MT5 to TradingView, you need to have both MT5 and TradingView accounts. First, open your TradingView account and go to the paper trading or live trading section. Depending on your preference, click on the API section and create a new API token by selecting MetaTrader as the platform. Copy the API token and keep it safe as you will need it later. Now, open your MetaTrader 5 platform and navigate to the Tools section. Then click on Options. In the Options window, select the Expert Advisors tab and check the box that says Allow Web Request for listed URLs. Add the TradingView API URL to the list and click OK. Next, you need to install the TradingView MT5 connector from the MetaTrader Marketplace or through the MT5 platform. Once installed, open the connector and paste the API token you created earlier. Configure the connector settings according to your needs, such as selecting the symbol and timeframe. After configuring the settings, click OK to save the changes. The connector will now establish a connection between your MT5 platform and TradingView. You can verify the connection by checking the MT5 terminal for any error messages or by testing a trading strategy. Best practices include keeping your API token secure, regularly updating the connector, and monitoring the connection for any issues. By following these steps, you can successfully connect MT5 to TradingView and enhance your trading experience.